Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Anthony here. I've got my morning espresso. Today's topic, Bitcoin and why I'm increasing my position in Bitcoin. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Thank you very much to every single one of you up here who have subscribed to the channel. It's incredible. I love talking with everyone on a daily basis in the comments below and in the community tab. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure you come along on this incredible journey. Smash that subscribe button. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along with me on this incredible journey. It's been insane so far. Little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and due diligence. It's very important. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt because this stuff can be extremely risky and volatile. Jump on all the social media platforms like I've recommended in all my other videos. It's free, don't pay for anything. It's in the palm of your hand, computer, tablet, PC, whatever you use to use the internet, basically. It's all there for free. Get confident before jumping into this stuff, and then once you are confident, make a decision to invest from there, all right? My golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. Yes, we don't like to lose, but you've got to set a limit for yourself, all right? So please be careful. All right, so let's get the formalities out of the way. Today's video is going to be about Bitcoin, the OG, the oldest cryptocurrency out there, the original. It's the one cryptocurrency when as soon as you talk to your family or friends about, they know about Bitcoin. That's pretty much it. They don't know about any other altcoin like XRP or Cardano, just Bitcoin or Ethereum if they're somewhat into cryptocurrencies. But I'm wanting to get into Bitcoin today because it's one cryptocurrency that I don't have a massive position in. I did buy it in 2017 when the market was going bananas back then. Had I dollar cost averaged back into Bitcoin then, I would have seen some incredible returns, honestly. But I'm just wanting to talk about Bitcoin because it's something that is, for me, is going to be a long-term play. I'm definitely looking to add more into my position because of institutional adoption with cryptocurrencies, and it is the original. It's been through a lot. It's survived. And it's had some incredible returns over the years as well. So definitely one that I'm going to be adding more in my position and my portfolio for sure in the next couple of weeks. Obviously dollar cost averaging into it for sure because it's at its all-time high at the moment. And obviously it's, buying at the high is just something that I don't like doing, but dollar cost averaging into it doesn't really faze me whether it's high or low. It's just adding to my position so I can build it. So I just want to get into some interesting stuff about cryptos in general, and obviously this has got mainly to do with Bitcoin, but 3.9% of the world's population is currently using cryptocurrencies, which is fascinating stuff because we're so early into this. Virtually, it is so new that it's got a long way to go, and we're only at the beginning of this stuff, all right? So 300 million people are using cryptos around the world, which is ridiculous. So you've got the breakdown here. So 28 million people in North America are using cryptocurrencies, 24 million in South America, 38 million in Europe. You've got 32 million in Africa, 160 million people in Asia are using cryptocurrencies, which is huge, and Russia, obviously. And you've got here Oceania, which is where I'm from in Australia. You've got 1 million people. I'm not sure if this is updated, but this is probably as of February, but 1 million people is hardly anything. And interesting stuff here. So keep going down. Bitcoin market cap reached US $1 trillion in February 2021, which is crazy. Bitcoin constituted 66% of the total capitalization of the cryptocurrency markets in 2020. Top countries using cryptocurrencies: India, 100 million people, USA, 27 million, Nigeria, 13 million, Vietnam, 5.9 million, United Kingdom, 3.3 million. Interesting facts here about cryptocurrencies: 79% are male, 21% are female, 58% are aged under the age of 34, which is interesting. That means just the older guys are slowly getting into cryptocurrencies. 82% have a bachelor's degree, whatever, and 36% have an annual income of over $100,000, which would be nice. All right, so they're just some interesting facts about cryptocurrencies, just to show that we're very early into cryptos. But obviously, the main one we're talking about today is Bitcoin. So if we go into this stuff today, obviously there's some incredible price predictions for Bitcoin, which is ridiculous. Obviously, I've got here some price predictions here. This is on Prime XBT. So you've got here 2021, $140,000. That it's sitting at 70,000 Australian dollars today. And I'll show you my CoinSpot account in a second. But 2022 price predictions 140, 2023 $100,000, 2024 to 2025 $500,000 in Bitcoin. This is ridiculous. And obviously with the institutions that are adopting cryptocurrencies now, mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum, If it hits that price prediction, we'll all be laughing. It's something that you need to consider if you're investing in cryptocurrencies for sure. But obviously you keep reading articles and stuff like that. You go to a Forbes article here, and these are the institutions that are buying into cryptocurrencies, mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum through Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust. And these are the latest filings. You've got ARK Invest, who's Kathy Wood's huge investment firm here, obviously is major into new technologies like Tesla, Bitcoin. She's really big on that stuff as well. You've got here Kinetics Portfolios, Trusts, keep going down, Addison Capital, IFP Advisors. This is all, look at this, man, Rothschilds Investments Corp. If you don't know who the Rothschilds are, you need to look at them up, guys. Honestly, you're living under a rock if you don't know who the Rothschilds are, but they are increasing their positions in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Why would they be doing that? Keep looking it up. So Heritage Wealth Advisors, Sterling Investment, Verus Capital, Front Row Advisors, Edge Wealth Management, all the institutions that are buying into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then you keep digging more, and obviously the Rothschilds again. So you're going to the Rothschilds now, right? So Rothschilds Investment Corp more than tripled Bitcoin exposure in Q2. This is this year. So the institutional investment manager also increased its holdings in Grayscale and Ethereum Trust by 5%. These guys are starting to catch on to Bitcoin and Ethereum, something you can't let up. Once the big boys are investing in this, guys, the money just starts to go to the moon. And obviously they're doing this for a reason. And you can see here, according to the filings, the firm's holdings in BTC and Ethereum trusts are worth $4.9 million and $6.2 million, respectively. These figures compare with valuations of $1.92 million and $4.75 million in the first quarter. Grayscale is owned by CoinDesk, a parent company of digital currency group. The Rothschilds are buying cryptocurrencies via Grayscale. So Grayscale is the ETF here. You got here Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Get rid of that. Yeah, okay. So many pop-ups here, it's annoying. Obviously, they've got assets under management, $30.9 billion worth of assets under management, trailing 12 months, 274%. Since inception, it's had a return of 30,000%. That's because of Bitcoin. Ridiculous. Unbelievable. So this is what I'm trying to say. Bitcoin is something that you've got to consider holding in your portfolio. Definitely one that I am. Not just the altcoins. You've got to diversify your portfolio for sure. And Bitcoin and Ethereum are definitely on my radar. Mainly Bitcoin, obviously. But I'm just going to get into CoinMarketCap today with regards to Bitcoin, because it's had some crazy ups in the last couple of weeks for sure. In the last hour, it is down 0.14%, sitting at 69,000 AUD, by the way. It is up 0.66% in the last 24 hours. In the last 7 days, it is up 6.9%. In the last 30 days, it is up 51.15%. In the last 90 days, it is up 40.43%. In the last year, it is up 320%. And of all time, check this out, 49,000%. That is insane. This is the reason why institutions and the big boys are getting into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Guys, you can't let that, look at that number. That's just ridiculous. This is the reason why I want to get in Bitcoin and hold it long term. Long term, just because it is going to go up in value. Again, if you go to the stats, it's got a market cap of $1.2 trillion right now. At the time of recording this video, it's got a circulating supply of 8.7 million Bitcoin, and total supply is 21 million Bitcoin, guys. And obviously it's got $35 billion in trading volume, so there's a lot trading through Bitcoin. 21 million, once it reaches that limit, there's no more Bitcoin. So it's basically every year, I believe it gets halved with the mining, so it just reduces every year. And this happens on obviously I think it's a yearly or something like that. I need to look up that, so if you know that, just confirm below. But it does half, therefore reducing the amount of Bitcoin that can be mined. But this, therefore, once this hits 21 million Bitcoin that are out there, imagine what the price is going to do. It's going to go to the moon. It's like gold, digital gold. That's pretty much what Bitcoin is. And I need some exposure into this for sure, for long term, because this is only going to go to the moon. And I've showed those price predictions before, and even Kathy Woods from ARK Invest believes that this will go to $1 million. Now, if that happens, even with the $10,000 investment, that is ridiculous. You'd be crazy not to buy Bitcoin for sure. But something to consider, guys. And have a look into it, but definitely one that I'm going to be adding into my position more of is Bitcoin. All right, so have a look at it, do your research. Please be careful out there. Let me know in the comments below what you think about Bitcoin. Are you holding it? Are you going to add more? Let's talk about it. All right, stay safe, guys. Peace. Bye.